Hi all, myself Praveen. Today we are going to discuss regarding topic AGC, Automatic Gain Control. The receiver antenna collects many signals. In many signals, some are weak signals, some are strong signals. The purpose of AGC is whenever the signal is weak, the AGC automatically increases the gain of the receiver and vice versa. Even though the signal strength of the receiver is fluctuating, it is necessary to keep the receiver output constant. Whenever we are getting the signal that is fluctuating, it needs to be make it as constant. This work or this operation is performed by the AGC, automatic gain control. AGC is used to adjust the receiver gain automatically. We are having two types of AGC. One is simple AGC, another one is delayed AGC. The gain control mechanism is active for high as well as low value of carrier voltage. Whenever you are getting the carrier voltage, the value may be high or low. This simple AGC operation will be performed. But coming to delayed AGC, this operation is performed only whenever it crosses a predetermined level. Then only the AGC means automatic gain operation will be performed. Otherwise, there is no decrease or increase in the gain. This is the difference between simple AGC and delayed AGC. In next slides, we will briefly discuss regarding what is meaning of simple AGC, what is the circuit diagram, what are the advantages, disadvantages, uses of both simple AGC as well as delayed AGC. First one is simple AGC. Simple AGC is a system by means of which the overall gain of a radio receiver is varied automatically. This is done to keep the receiver output constant even when the signal strength at the input of the receiver is changing. Whenever the signal strength is changing, the AGC will keep it as constant. This is the block diagram of simple AGC. The first one is half-wave rectifier. Here you can observe here we are having only single lead. It will act as a half-wave rectifier. This will use it to provide DC bias. Next, then this DC bias is passed through the low pass filter. Next, to what is the purpose of low pass filter means if it having any AC components, it will be removed here, and the resultant will be low pass filter output is fed to the RF or IF stages. It means next to this one we are having RF and IF stages. This is regarding simple AGC. Simple AGC is clearly an improvement on no AGC at all. If you can observe here, this is the no AGC graph. It is having straight line, but if you can observe here simple AGC, the signal strength is slightly decreasing. This is the advantage comparing with no AGC. But the disadvantage is, as above figures both show even weak signals do not escape this reduction. If you can observe here, this is the weak signal. It is also, if we observe this, these are the weak signals. These for weak signals also the decrease will be or reduction in the gain will be performed. This is the main disadvantage of simple AGC. Not only for high values, for low values also gain reduction will be performed. This is the main disadvantage of simple AGC. What are the advantages? It is simple, it is low cost, it is improvement over no AGC. But what are the disadvantages? Reduction in the gain of the receiver will take place even for the weak signals. For the weak signals also reduction in the gain will be performed. Where we are using it? It is used in domestic radio receivers. This is regarding simple AGC. Next one is the graphical representation of simple AGC. This is the graphical representation. If coming to here, you can observe here, this is no AGC one. This one is simple AGC. Coming to delayed AGC or ideal AGC, this is the graph for ideal AGC. This is for delayed AGC. You can observe here from this part to this part, in delayed AGC, there is no reduction in the gain. That is the main difference in delayed AGC. That's why it is named delayed. Means from this one From this point onwards, gain will not reduced. From certain points onwards only the gain reduced. This is the main difference between simple AGC as well as delayed AGC. In this technique, AGC bias is applied only after signal strength has reached a particular level. From above figure, we can say that the AGC bias is not applied until the impulse signal strength reaches a predetermined level. So it is called as delayed AGC. After predetermined level, AGC bias is applied like simple AGC, but more strongly. The problem of reducing the receiver gain for weak signal is thus avoided. Here the weak signals gain could not be reduced. This is the main advantage of delayed AGC. This is the block diagram of delayed AGC. If you can observe here, we are having two detector stages. One is detector diode, another one is AGC diode. This AGC diode is connected to plus VCC. This is the plus VCC is connected to cathode of AGC diode. This is to perform delayed operation, and these two are connected to a single coil. If you can observe, this is connected to this coil, this diode is connected to this coil, means these two are connected to different coils, or in some cases these two are connected to a same coil also. You can observe here, it is a very common method for obtaining delayed AGC shown above figure. It uses two separate diodes. One is detector, another one is AGC detector. If you can observe here, this one is detector, this one is AGC diode. These can be connected either to separate transformer windings, or both may be connected to the secondary without too much interference. Means in this diagram, one is connected to primary winding, another one is connected to secondary. But in some cases, these two may be connected to detector diode, and AGC diode may be connected to secondary winding. But we need to take care of regarding interference. Next one is, as indicated, a positive bias is applied to the cathode of AGC diode. You can observe here, plus VCC is applied to cathode. Positive bias is applied to cathode of AGC diode to prevent conduction until predetermined level. Means to get the delay, we are using this diode. What are the advantages? No reduction in gain for weak signals. Reduction in gain for only for strong signals. This is the main advantage. Where we are using delayed AGC is used in high quality receivers like communication receivers. This is regarding simple AGC and delayed AGC. Next, what is the difference between simple AGC, delayed AGC? Simple AGC means which will change the overall gain of a receiver automatically starting from initial point. Starting from initial point onwards, the gain will be reduces. But coming to delayed AGC is not applied until the input signal strength reaches a particular level. After getting a particular level only, the delayed operation will be performed. Reduction in gain for weak signals. There is no reduction in gain for weak signals. This is used in domestic radio receiver. This is used in high quality receivers like communication receivers. This is the differences between simple AGC and delayed AGC. Thank you, one and all.